If you want to create a WhatsApp business account, then this video is for you. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process that how can we create a business WhatsApp professionally. Just make sure to watch till the end. WhatsApp Business Account is a free platform designed for small and medium businesses to create a professional profile. It offers features like automated messages, quick replies, catalog for product display, and business messaging tools. Users can provide customer service, share business information, and interact with customers more efficiently compared to personal WhatsApp accounts. First of all, install WhatsApp app from Play Store or from App Store if you are using an iOS. Once installed, open that app. Agree and continue. From here, choose your country, or you need to enter your mobile number with country code and press Next. Press Yes. Now we will receive a verification code on our SIM. Enter that 6-digit code here. Continue. Allow all these permissions. Enter your business name. Choose category and press Next. We have created our business account, and now we will add our business information to make it professional. Tap on these 3 lines and go to Settings. Tap on Business Tools. Then tap on Profile. Add your address. Add your website if you have. Add your contact email. Add your business description. Add opening hours. Further add more info like profile picture and cover picture, and your WhatsApp business account is ready to use. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.